Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our e-course on road signs and markings. My name is Charles, and I will be your instructor. As we all know, driving is essential to our daily lives. However, it's also a complex activity that requires our full attention and adherence to traffic rules. Road signs and markings play a crucial role in ensuring our safety on the roads. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, approximately 1.35 million people die every year as a result of road traffic accidents. This translates to over 3,700 deaths daily. Furthermore, road traffic accidents are the leading cause of death among people aged 5 to 29 years. Road signs and markings are designed to provide clear and concise information to drivers, helping them navigate the roads safely. They indicate traffic rules, warn of potential hazards, and guide drivers through intersections and other critical areas. In this e-course, we'll cover the different types of road signs and markings, their meanings, and how to apply them in real-life driving situations. We'll also discuss the importance of adhering to traffic rules and the consequences of ignoring them. By the end of this course, you'll be able to identify and explain the different types of road signs and markings, apply road signs and markings in real-life driving situations, and understand the importance of adhering to traffic rules and the consequences of ignoring them. In conclusion, road signs and markings are essential components of road safety. By understanding and applying them correctly, we can significantly reduce the risk of road accidents and ensure our safety on the roads. Thank you for joining me on this e-course, and I look forward to guiding you through the world of road signs and markings.